because we're going to the snow.
Pupunta kami sa Mount Ropeho ulit. Pero hindi na sa Waka Papa, whatever. Doon na kami sa Tarawa. Pupunta kami ngayon, guys. Nagpapagasolina lang ang aking asawa. Look at you, baby. Say hi.
Hi.
Ito na kami, guys. Let's go, audience.
Okay.
Did you back it up na?
Yeah.
Okay.
I always
What?
Mommy.
Yes.
When we started the gas station,
Huh?
my seatbelt is still on.
What? What is still on?
My seatbelt is still on when we're filling the car.
Oo. You didn't. Your
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Audience.
The sky is falling down. The sky is falling down.
Mag-ask ka daw kung saan. Sorry. CR mo naman guys. Ulam namin guys. Go get one. Yummy? Is it yummy? Bob, do not touch the
Don't touch it, Mom. Can I have this one?
Want me to wet? Or let's wet the dog. Yeah. Eat your, this one. Potato. Saan ito nilalagay? Balik mo. Babalik para pamaya. Wala na tayo. Howdy! Hello! What's that? No, ayaw patay.
Oh no. I don't see it when I cook it. Yeah.
Your gloves again.
Bakit yan tinanggal?
Eh, hindi na makuha doon sa sasakyan. Yeah, oh, put down your feet.
Why?
You're gonna hi. Look. Where's mom? Yeah, mom.
Oh, your phone's going to go up here.
Yeah.
But don't put it over there.
Where?
We're going to drop it. Hold it tight. No.
Wait, we will face it on the front.
kami pupunta guys. Mag-i-skating kami doon. Yan. Dami guys. Super. Yapi! What happened all this? Whoop!
We fell down.
What's that? Ay! Eh, siya na lang, itulak mo na lang, pahawak mo sa kuwan. You hold the rope, baby. Hurry up. Bilisan nyo at meron nag-aantay. Siya na lang, pahawakan mo. O yan, tumakay ka pa. Hindi mo pa tinulak na lang ng madali. Bakit kayo tumagilid?
Tapos kinuha yung ano.
Ah,
Sabi niya siya mag-dive.
ala. Ako man. Tabi kayo, tabi. Hurry up. Someone is waiting.
Woo! Oh good. And guys, si Daddy naman mag-isa. Whoop! Ang dilim.
Hello.
Mga Pilipino rin, no?
Hey, Daddy.
Ah, you wear na?
Ay. Ang tigas naman dito. Uy, merong mag-ano dito ha. Alis ka dyan, uy. Let's go na, let's go. We will go to the slide. You don't want to go to slide? Huh? Yun, paduus-us pa more. Bye guys. Okay.
Okay, okay. Go, 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 go. Ready? And go.
Okay. So ready?
Yeah.
Nakakuha naman ang kanyang kamukha. You hold the rope, baby.
Hindi nga. Ito ang go. Napagilid. Ayan, let's go.
Go, 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 go. Again and again and again.
We're gonna be absent tomorrow in school.
I think so.
Okay. Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're going down. It's very good. Now we're going to stop.
Oh good. Oh good. Come on. Hurry up. Are you tired? Come on, hurry up. Here, here. Here. Come on. Go, go, go. So they can slide.
Guys, can you give me a hand?
I'm so tired. Ha? Hi guys, naihilang. Naihilang si Micaela. Ang banas. Ang banas sa labas guys. Ang banas sa labas. Bye bye. Pababa na kami guys. Ako lang mag-isa. Walang kasama. Whoop. Oh my. Nag-stop guys. Nag-stop. Oh my. Yan yung nag-stop. Oh my god. Oh my god, nag-stop. Ah, putik guys. Adi. You okay, baby? Adi. You okay? Yeah, did you have fun? Uwi na kami guys. Here. Louder. Come on. Hurry up. Saan nga tayo naka car park? Kaya na guys.
This app makes money just by walking. I get $100 just for a minute after walking. And now I can withdraw my money.
Nasa kotse na kami guys. Ang init. Baba mo natin. Ang buhok. Ang init. Kumakain si Odis. What did you eat?
I just messed up the car, but we need it ready.
You clean it already. Ang daddy, ang galit na. Madami na ang car ni daddy. You clean it na? Are you sure? Tingnan mo. Ang gulo.
I covered the car.
Yeah, we will help daddy to clean ha later ha.
Oh?
Okay ha?
Okay.
Okay. Mess up daw siya guys. Tingnan mo. Yeah.
You done eating?
Hurry up, we will go home na.
Oh,
Ang driver natin nagsisibangot na. Are you happy? No! Diyos ko Lord naman to batang to. Enough na eating oy! Sus mo. Oo, ang mukha eh.